What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about upgrading a Metrobank credit card. Paano nga ba natin ipa-upgrade yung existing Metrobank credit card natin? Saan tayo tatawag? Paano natin i-request na magpa-upgrade tayo ng Metrobank credit card natin? Ano yung mangyayari kapag nagpa-upgrade tayo ng Metrobank? At saka yung annual fee, ano yung mangyayari? And then of course, yung process in upgrading a Metrobank credit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, upgrading a Metrobank credit card typically requires being an existing card holder for at least 6 months with good credit standing. So as you can see guys, at least 6 months. Tapos dapat ikaw ay existing credit card holder kasi of course, ano nga ba yung ipapa-upgrade mo kapag wala ka namang existing Metrobank credit card, di ba? Tapos kailangan yon naka 6 months na ninyong ginagamit or activated yung Metrobank credit card na yon at saka good standing. Meaning wala siyang late payment fees, hindi siya delinquent account, wala kayong lapses kapag nagbabayad kayo ng bills. Okay lang naman kahit nagbi-minimum amount due kayo, basta, wag lang yung parang kinalimutan nyo ng bayaran yung outstanding balance. Kasi nakalagay dito is good credit standing. The bank often initiates the process through targeted SMS or email offers, allowing upgrades to premium, cashback, and travel cards. You can also initiate a request by calling the Metrobank hotline at 0288-700-919 or using the Metrobank application. Ngayon, isa-isahin natin. The bank often initiates the process through targeted SMS. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung mga promotional text message sa Metrobank na pinapadala, which is inviting you to upgrade your existing Metrobank credit card. So ito yung pinakamaganda guys, kapag naka-receive kayo ng ganong text message na pinapa-upgrade kasi via text message lang siya. Wala nang kailangan requirements, hindi nyo kailangan mag-provide ng documents or anything, hindi nyo na kailangan tumawag sa Metrobank customer service or hotline numbers. Kasi via text message lang, pwede nyo siyang i-upgrade. Maya-maya pag-uusapan natin yan. Allowing upgrades to premium, cashback, or travel cards. So, nakadepende kung ano yung in-offer sa inyo, kung premium credit card ba, yung pwede nyong ipa-upgrade or i-upgrade, then cashback or travel cards. You can also initiate by requesting a calling Metrobank hotline at 0288-700-919. So ngayon, if wala kayong na-receive na text message offering you to upgrade your existing Metrobank credit card, pwede kayo tumawag sa official hotline number nila which is yung 0288-700-919 or using the Metrobank application. Siguro naman aware kayo sa Metrobank application guys since may Metrobank credit cards kayo, di ba? So, Metrobank online banking in short. Key details for upgrading of Metrobank credit card. Eligible cards. Upgrades are often available for Titanium Mastercard, Rewards Plus Visa, Cashback Visa, Platinum Mastercard, Travel Signature Visa, and World Mastercard. So, ito yung mga eligible credit cards. Kung meron kayo nito, pwede nyo siyang ipa-upgrade into another card. Huwag kayong magda-downgrade guys kasi bawal yun. Hindi naman siya bawal, pero syempre, maganda siya, i-upgrade nyo na lang. Kasi pag na-downgrade kayo, so medyo off siya sa part ni bank. Parang titingnan kayo, hindi niya kaya yung annual fee. So, I suggest puro kayo upgrade since we are talking about upgrading Metrobank credit card. Process. If you receive an invite, you must accept it via the channels mentioned on SMS or email or call. So ngayon, kapag tinawagan kayo or naka-receive kayo ng text message saying na pwede nyo i-upgrade yung Metrobank credit card ninyo, kailangan nyo i-accept yung invitation na yon via the channels, kung ano yung channel na sinabi nila, kung kailangan nyo bang i-input yung code doon, pinadalan kayo ng promo ID, ganyan. Tapos pwede kayong, kung may tumawag sa inyo, kailangan yung i-accept yon. Make sure lang guys, yung mga tumatawag is legit from Metrobank. No? Yung mga tumatawag na nagpapanggap ng mga taga Metrobank sila, nanghihingi ng OTP, na may credit card upgrade nga, be aware kayo dun guys. Kasi yung iba doon, hindi taga Metrobank. So dapat, kilatisin ninyo yung tumatawag, lalong-lalo na kung mobile number lang, hindi siya telephone number. Kasi most of the time, yung mga banks tumatawag sa inyo using landline. Ngayon, may iba din na using mobile number, make sure to be aware. Kapag nanghihingi na ng mga confidential details like credit card number, expiry date, CVV, at saka yung OTP, wag na wag niyong ibibigay. Kasi delikado yun. Ngayon, kapag nagpa-upgrade na kayo ng Metrobank credit card ninyo, ano yung mangyayari sa annual fee? Ngayon, yung annual fee, guys, is magbabago na siya. Like, for example, yung existing credit card ninyo is 2,500 lang yung annual fee. Tapos, pina-upgrade nyo ngayon. Tapos, yung credit card na pina-upgrade ninyo, yung na-receive na ninyo na upgraded Metrobank credit card, kung magkano yung annual fee nun, yun na yung babayaran ninyo. Kailangan nyo i-consider din yun. At saka yung credit limit, the same lang yon, walang magbabago, maliban na lang kung nag-increase ng kusa si Metrobank. Requirements. You must be a principal cardholder and good standing. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, yung requirements is dapat good standing credit card na yon. And of course, dapat principal cardholder kayo ni Metrobank. Bawal yung supplementary Metrobank credit card. Promos. There is a promo card upgrade activation incentive promo, which may include benefits for meeting specific spend requirements on the new card. So ito yung maganda guys, minsan kapag inoferan kayo ng upgrading ng Metrobank credit card ninyo, may welcome spend sila or welcome cashback. So meaning kapag in-upgrade ninyo nung in-offer nila, kailangan mo lang i-meet yung certain spending requirements. Kung magkano yun kapag na-reach ninyo, yun, bibigyan kayo ngayon ng welcome cashback. Minsan, umabot ng 5,000, 10,000. Pero, take note lang guys na pag malaki yung cashback, of course, malaki din yung spending requirements. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon in using your or upgrading your Metrobank credit card. Kasi kung hindi nyo na kaya bayaran, so huwag mo nang ipilit. Kasi baka malubog lang kayo sa utang dahil sa welcome cashback na yan. Kung ano lang yung kaya bayaran, yun lang ang isa-swipe ninyo. Important, if your card is stopped or sell, discontinued, you may be automatically upgraded but can request a different card type within 30 days of notification. So when you say stop sales, discontinued, like for example, nag-expire, so you will be automatically upgraded. Like for example, tinigil na ni Metrobank yung credit card na yon, so automatic yung credit card ninyo is i-upgrade into higher tier. Hindi siya magda-downgrade. Ganun yun, guys. For more specific information, it is recommended to check the Metrobank Credit Card official website. So ngayon guys, kung gusto nyo pa malaman yung iba pa talagang details na kailangan nyo malaman, pwede kayong mag-visit sa official website ni Metrobank. Search nyo lang sa Google, Metrobank Credit Cards. Makikita nyo lahat doon, marami kayong pwedeng basahin kung hindi kayo tamad magbasa. So sana hindi kayo tamad magbasa para at least maintindihan ninyo lahat. Kung wala kayong ginagawa, puntahan nyo yung official website ni Metrobank, tignan nyo yung mga offer nila sa credit cards. So, take note lang guys, in upgrading Metrobank credit card, yung annual fee niya mag-iiba, ulitin ko lang. Tapos, make sure na kung may tumatawag sa inyo na taga Metrobank, kilatisin nyo muna. Alamin nyo kung legit ba sila. Kapag nanghihingi sila ng card number, expiry date, or CVV, at saka OTP, red flag yan. Huwag mong ibibigay kasi delikado yon. Ngayon, kung wala namang hinihingi, sinasabi lang na, okay sir, ganito, ganyan. Okay ma'am, ganito, ganyan. Walang hinihinging confidential details, goods yan. Basta wag na wag kayo magbibigay ng confidential details like yung card number, expiry date, CVV, at saka yung OTP. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!